Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect Tradovate to my favorite charting platform and trading platform, Tradingview. I'll be breaking down exactly how to connect these two together so you can trade your funded accounts. I'm going to break down how to set up the charts, how to get it all ready in Tradingview. So if you're in the futures funded space, you probably do your analysis on Tradingview. I'm going to show you how to set up Apex, Elite Trader Funding, any company that offers Tradovate, and hook it up to TradingView, and you'll see the top discounts, and I'll go through a new account UProfit just brought out as well. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to connect Tradovate to your funding provider, and then I'll break all that down so you show you how I set up my chart. So let's go ahead and get into that. So, all right, here's Apex's page. So these are the accounts that you can select that are Tradovate and NinjaTrader. So you purchase one of the accounts. It does take Apex a little while to get them going, but once they do, they send you email letting you know. Like I had one account take 12 hours, I had another one take 10 minutes. So it just kind of varies. First thing you're going to want to do once you have that is you'll get an email with your saying that your Tradovate is ready, and then you'll go ahead and log into your account. And then once you're logged in here, if you scroll down on the right hand side, you have your Tradovate account username and password. So go ahead and set up to where it shows show password, and then you're going to want to copy that. And the next step is to head over to Tradovate. It has to be the web browser. It can't be the desktop or the mobile version. And then right here where it says Tradovate, and then it's going to bring you to this here to log in. And then copy your password in there. Make sure that there's no blank spaces or it won't work. And your Apex username. And it's not going to be the same name that you sign in with Rhythmic to. Once you have that, go log in. And then, because this isn't my first time, but if this is your first time, either right now it should come up with a data contract before or after you push simulation. I'm not sure what, I can't remember which one. But once that pops up, make sure you select non-professional. If you select professional, you're going to have to pay a whole bunch of money for data. Once you have clicked that, push simulation, connect, continue. All right, so then this is the Tradovate web platform, and here it says your account, your equity, but where we're going to go is up here to the right hand corner, application settings. And then you can check out all these different ones, but we want to go to add-ons for right now. And then right here where it says Tradingview, activate it. And then I would just go ahead and activate any of them that are free. You might as well because they are free. So activate group trade. It's a copy trader pretty much. And once you have all that done, after you did that, just go ahead and exit out of this, close this window completely, and then head on over to Tradingview. All right, so right down here at Trading Panel, click that, and then Tradovate is going to pop up, push connect, and then now you need to copy and paste the same password used to log into Tradovate with. Boom. And it's not the live side, it's the demo side, and push connect. All right, and then as long as nothing popped up, that means you have got it connected. And then if you come over here, you have positions, orders, account summary, notifications log. So let's go down there, and then I will show you guys how to set it up to where you can trade with it. Okay, so if you click up here, right, it's gonna buy market. But what we're gonna do is you can click anywhere on the screen twice and then go to trading. And then I have it set up to where buy and sell buttons and then instant order placements. I like that because I like to market in and out of the market. And then appearance, you can have it on positions, profit and loss. I would like to have mine in money, reverse button orders, and I have my brackets, profit, loss, and money. And then I don't like the executions on my chart. All right, so I have ES pulled up here. So anywhere on the screen, you see how there's that little dot. And if you guys don't have that, you need to double click anywhere and then come down and see where it says plus button there. Turn that on because that's going to give you this right here. So once you have that turned on, go ahead and click that. And then you can either buy, limit, stop, but we're gonna create a bracket. All right, so you have ESEM3, Tradovate, and then you can have a dock to the right, show order price and ticks, show quantity and percentage. We're just gonna leave it right here, and then if you dock it there, it stays there, which that's kind of nice to have. Let me close my watch list, and then now you have like pretty much like on Tradingview, you have a chart trader kind of. We're gonna go market and then push take profit, and 75 ticks, that's like 20 points, not 20 but it's almost 20. So for this scenario, let's just go 25. That's 5 points, and then make our stop loss 3 points. So it's set up as tick value right now. I'm not sure if you can trade that or not. And then now we have a bracket set up. So it's a pretty simple bracket. It doesn't trail or anything like that, but it does work very well. So now we're gonna press buy market. And then I'm not sure how to get rid of the notifications here. They're quite annoying, to tell you the truth. Click all those off. And then now we have our sell limit in there. And we have, this is showing how many contracts we have. And then we have our sell stop. So let's say I wanted to add one to it. Boom. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't automatically adjust the bracket orders. So to do that, you click on it, and you come in here and press plus and press modify. And then now it has modified it. So you just have to change one of them to modify both of them. And then anytime you want to move it, you don't have to move it here. You can just click it and move it forward, and then it modifies it like that. Same thing with the sell one. That's about all you really need to know to get this to set up and working for you. So if you're interested in the latest discounts that these prop firms are offering, you can come to my website. It's verifiedfundingcompanies.com. And I have recently changed the Twitter and my Facebook, that is the VTF, to Market Mastery. I'm going to be rebranding VTF into Market Mastery and just providing more of an education instead of just promotions. And I think it'll be a lot more beneficial for you guys. So once you're on my page here, you click on Verified Trader Funding Discounts. And this is the page that's going to have all the latest discounts. You can also subscribe and get the emails sent directly to you. I will update this every day, just about, unless there isn't a new sale, then obviously I don't update it. Like I said, you can subscribe, but I will never send you spam or anything that's not directly related to prop firms and funding discounts. Bulenox has a couple really good sales going on right now. They have 150K option 1 account for only $14. Yeah, that's right, $14. And then a 100K option 1 account for $21. And then 200K option 1 account for $33. So you use the discount code KING and then what account it is. So it's a 150K account. You're going to use the words KING 150K. And the $14 one ends on the 8th. And then the other one's in the 22nd or 21st. And then Apex has 50% off. Use the code Proven50. So Apex offers the Tradovate. And then I am in the process of verifying Elite Trader Funding because they offer Tradovate as well. So UProfit has a 30% off discount right now. You use the code BANG30 and it will get you 30% off. So let me show you the new account that they just released. It is called the Freedom Program. It's a 150K account. It is a 150K account. It is static drawdown, so it has a $5,000 profit target. You get 8 contracts, 2,500 daily loss limit, and 5,000 max loss in 10 trading days. So drawdown is not trailing. It stays exactly where it's at. 8 contracts you're allowed to trade, 2,500 daily loss limit, which is quite a bit. If you're losing 2,500 trading no more than 4 contracts, then you're probably in tilt and going to blow it anyways. $5,000 max loss, 10 minimum trading days, and then there is a discount right now if you use the code BANG30 for it, which makes it come out to $245. There's a $150 activation fee, which makes total cost $395. So with UProfit, you can withdraw from day one, which makes that pretty cool. So if you guys want to check them out, I will put the link to my website and you can come check out my website and then check out UProfit too. All right, please like and subscribe, guys, and have a good night.